Hey, thanks for making it to Veterans Info Tap. I'm glad you made it. There are 2 benefits out there from the VA that will absolutely increase your earning potential to well over 6 figures, potentially over $200,000 per year. I wanted to touch on those because I think that sometimes we don't fully think it through and we waste opportunities. So I want to share this with you. Please hit the thumbs up, subscribe, share with a friend, all that good stuff. I truly appreciate it. Now, here's the deal. The VA has VRNE, which is Veterans Readiness and Employment, and there's also post 9/11 GI Bill benefits. So if you don't have post 9/11 GI Bill, you can go to VRNE and figure that out. Now, what I wanted to talk to you about specifically here is the right mindset. The right mindset is really important. Not everything in today's world needs to have a 4-year degree in underwater basket weaving. You need to really think about your end goal, the type of job you want to do, and how much money you want to earn, right? Versus, I want to go to a 4-year school. Well, why do you want to go to a 4-year school, right? Is it just so you can have a degree? Because what's the degree going to do for you? Do you need that for that job? Do you need that for that income? Now, if you do, that's great. I get it. You want to go be a lawyer, a psychologist, a doctor, whatever. Yes, you need to go get those types of credentials. However, I have uncovered a gem of an opportunity, and that is with the Automotive Dealership Institute. Now, they will train you in a 1-month period to become a finance manager for auto dealerships. Now, it's the same. It's not just for auto dealerships, right? I had some phone calls with these folks. It's not just automobile dealerships. It would be anybody that does that type of financing. So it could be tractors, could be RVs, could be motorcycles, could be, off-road motorcycles, UTVs, that type of stuff. So anybody that does that type of financing, secured financing on that type of stuff, would utilize this type of service. So you would go through a 1-month program with the Automotive Dealership Institute, which is, oh, by the way, they are licensed and government approved. They're the only school that does this, that accepts the post 9/11 GI Bill, from my knowledge. So whether it's GI Bill or VRNE, either way, you would be covered there. So that's an important thing to understand, is it's not money out of your pocket. You could go there, get your 4-week course, your 1-month course completed. They do job assistance, and from what I understand, it's about a 90% or greater placement rate. So they utilize their network. They've been in business for decades and help you find a job. So to me, if you want to earn a specific amount of money and you want to do a specific type of job, you want to make sure that you're picking the right avenue, right? Again, this is a great opportunity that I think many people are not aware of, and I just want to share it because I know personally a lot of people that have gone the 4-year degree route and walk away with, well, I have a degree, and it's not really needed. It's more about your experience and kind of where your path is taking you to land in the right jobs. So backtrack it up, do a little reverse planning, look at what sort of things you want to do. Are you interested in cars? Are you interested in RVs? Are you interested in motorcycles? Do you like working with numbers, right? I did mortgages. For, probably 12 years. And I will tell you that was probably one of my favorite jobs that I've ever done. And I worked at one place for 7 years, worked at a couple others, ran a mortgage brokerage with a buddy. And that was a great time. And doing loans for me was great. It paid well. I made good money doing loans, mortgages. And I had friends that were in the automobile industry, and they were finance managers. And at one point, after the 2007-2008 fiasco, I had thought about transitioning over and going into the automotive world, but instead I started the brokerage with a buddy. So in any case, the bottom line here is don't waste your opportunity with VRNE or post 9/11 GI Bill. You can get a lot of bang for the buck going to a course like this through the Automotive Dealership Institute, where they will train you up, get you running, work their network, help you find that job. And again, depending on the location, right? I mean, somewhere in an expensive area in California is going to pay much higher than somewhere in South Dakota, right? So, but the bottom line is that no matter where you're at compared to the cost of living, you're going to be in a very good situation. So with that, we'll go ahead and conclude it. I just wanted to get the word out there and remind folks that you have options and to really look at all the various options that are out there. I'll put all the information in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you. Have a great one. And remember, if we don't take care of each other, something went wrong.